vijana wengi sana wana blame their parents. Wakati huo, wakati wa zamani wazee wenzako walipokuwa wananunua viwanja, wewe ulikuwa wapi? The same thing yenye unauliza mzazi wako ndio na wewe utakuja kuulizwa siku moja na watoto wako. Wakati wenzako walipokuwa wanajifunza forex, wakati wenzako walipokuwa wanafanya cryptocurrency, ulikuwa wapi? So niwaelezee how was my experience doing forex. Number one, I lost a lot. Make losses mingi sana, like a lot. Ilifikia wakati mpaka like nilikuwa najiona kama nitachizi bro. Before nianze forex, nilikuwa naona like when ukiingia kwa social media unaona young people buying exotic cars, luxury cars, and then nikaingia kwa forex na ile mentality ya like getting rich quick instead of focusing on learning the skill. Mimi nilikuwa kwa mentality yangu like I need to get rich quick. This is my profit and these are true trades that I made. How did I make this trade? This is called a trend line. So it was trending going up, then it broke the trend. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on today's video it's all about forex trading. I'm going to talk to you guys about forex trading. I know it's been a while since I've posted any video. Hizi siku zote nimekuwa learn a new skill, and that's forex trading. And today niko hapa kuelezea everything about it. How was my experience, what is forex trading. Yeah, pretty much we are going to talk about forex trading. So kama wewe ni mtu ambaye you are interested in forex trading, or maybe hauko interested na forex trading but you would love to know forex trading ni nini, then stick to this video because wajua wengi wetu wanadhani kwamba forex trading is a scam, right? I know most of you wanadhani forex trading ni scam. So like, is it a scam? I'm gonna explain that. But short answer is no. Forex trading is not a scam. It's a skill yenye unaweza kujifunza na ukatengeneza dough through it, or even lose your money through it. So it's a risky game. So what is forex trading? Forex trading, mimi naweza sema ni kama tu biashara tu. Ni kama biashara. For example, let's say you buy something when the price is what? Is low. And when the price goes up, what do you get? Then you sell it. What do you get? A profit. And in other way around, when you sell something when the price is up, then when the price goes down, you make a profit. Does it make sense? Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. You buy you buy low and you sell high. I think if you guys are interested, mkinionyesha kwenye hii video kama mko interested na hii learn forex, I can prepare another video kuexplainia with charts and everything, kuonesha like kwa yule mtu ambaye haelewi kabisa na ako interested kujua, niwaeleze like hiyo kubuy low na kusell high, yani niwaeleze kwa makini kama mtu wa standard 1. So it depends with you guys. So niwaeleze how was my experience doing forex. Number one, I lost a lot. Make losses mingi sana, like a lot. Ilifikia wakati mpaka like nilikuwa najiona kama nitachizi bro. But wenyewe wanavyosema, ukishaingia, once you start doing forex, once you start trading, there is no going back bro, there is no going back, because I took, yani nilichukua zile losses si kama loss, nilichukulia kama lessons, so I was learning instead of losing. So so before nianze forex, nilikuwa naona like when kingia kwa social media unaona young people buying exotic cars, luxury cars, and then nikaingia kwa forex na ile mentality ya like getting rich quick instead of focusing on learning the skill. Mi nilikuwa kwa mentality yangu like I need to get rich quick, and I'll be honest with you guys, mshukuru Mungu kwa wale ambao wanataka kujoin saa hii, like mumepata mtu mwenye amewashauri mapema. There is no getting rich quick in forex market, the market is not your friend, you need to do what we call risk management, yani trade what you can afford to lose. Usitrade na pesa yako ya rent, usitrade na pesa yenye unahitaji kwa mambo yoyote, yani like hujafanya ration ya nyumba then hiyo pesa umeenda umeekelea kwa trading. Never. Make sure ile pesa yenye unaekelea you are ready to lose, because it's a 50-50. No one is perfect, no one can control the market unless una trade na trillions ama billions of money. That's when you can move the market, but 1,000 yako, $100, $200, you cannot move the market. Wewe utaenda, wewe ukibuy market iende chini, you are in a loss. Ukisell market iende juu, you are in a big loss. So like I said, trade with the money that you can afford to lose, ndo at least psychology yako itakuwa vizuri, like utakuwa una trade without emotions. And kitu chengine pia, kuna kitu inaitwa lot size, lot size. Lot kwenye, in other terms, ni kama vile stake. So the bigger the lot, the bigger the profit, na vile vile the bigger the loss. So if you are a beginner, always use the small lots. Hizo ndo part of mistakes zenye zilinifanya mimi, of which I wish kuna mtu angeniambia mapema, like usitarajie kutajirika haraka, first learn the skill. I wish yani kuna mtu angeniambia kitu chenye nawaambia sasa. So mnafaa mshukuru Mungu sana, nimekuja kuwachanua. So guys, like I said, I made a big loss, loss yenye kidogo ilikuwa nafaa kidogo ni cheesy bro, but alhamdulillah, nimekuwa patient na alhamdulillah now I've started to recover. Siwezi sema ati nimetajirika, but I'm recovering from the loss because nilikuwa on debt, but alhamdulillah sasa nimeweza kulipa hizo madeni, yani I'm stable right now as we speak, na bado sija give up, like I'm still learning every day. I'm learning new skills, new strategies, I keep on learning. So guys, forex trading is not about getting rich quick. It's a skill yenye it takes time. Ukisingia hapo ukataka ubuy GLE by the end of this month ama this year, no. Wengia hapo, learn pole pole, make small baby steps, make make small profits, make small losses, unaona. By the time umemaliza few months, utakuwa like you are ready now to trade like big boys, yeah. But for a beginner, use small lots bro. Let me show you as of today, date 16, how much I have made. Just a few hours ago, I was trading on gold. Inaitwa sawa USD for those who know a little bit about trading, and this is what I made. I don't know if you can be able to see. here. There we go. So I have, this is my profit, $21, and these are true trades that I made. $13 and $8. So this is what I made. So guys, just for the purpose of learning, let me take a quick trade. Let me see. Now it's buying. Gold is buying. You can see that, like I said. So how did I make this trade? How did I make this trade? This is called a trend line. So it was trending going up, then it broke the trend, unaona, ikavunja hii trend line. Instead of continuation going up, market ikavunja hii trend line, so ikakuwa inafanya nini? Inashuka. Then we took a sell from here, and we take our profit from there. So how do you trade? Unafinya hii kidude hapa hivi, hii hapa, then you place, then you can buy or sell, and this is the lot size I was talking about. You can see mimi vile bado I'm still learning, I'm using 0.01, but for big boys kuna wenye wanatumia 1, kuna wenye wanatumia 2, 3, 0.1, 0.5, whatever amount you need. So let me see if I can find an entry, so I can show you guys like how do people make profit and how do they make loss. I will place, should I place a buy there, or let's wait for it to drop, then we buy. Well, it's dropping, or should I? Yeah, it's dropping. See, I've placed, nime buy sahi. So kama mnavyoona niko kwa loss sahi, but if the market goes up, I'll be in profit. Ndo hiyo tuko kwa profit, and this is how you close your trade. Close all position, then you can close it from here. Done. So how much did we make? 0.2. Unaona? So you buy, it goes up. Ikipanda tu place umebuy, ikipanda tu kidogo hivi, you are in profit. Ikishuka, ikiwa chini, you are in loss. So mimi nime stop ikiwa hapo juu kidogo, nime make 0.2. So this is just to show you like trading is working, like you can make money. But as I've shown you also, if it goes against your entry, then you'll be making a loss. So guys, for more tutorials, for more videos, please make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share this video to others. And inshallah, tell me, should I make a tutorial video for you guys? Should I teach you guys how to trade? Because I'm ready for that. If you guys are ready, then I'm ready for that. We can learn trading inshallah together. And that was it. I love you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe.